What can I do if I lost my phone and the recovery code for Snapchat?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a really important topic: what to do if you've lost your phone and the recovery code for Snapchat. It's a tricky situation, but don't worry, we've got some tips and tricks to help you regain access to your Snapchat account.
Understand the problem.
The first thing to acknowledge here is that losing both your phone and your Snapchat recovery code is quite a predicament. Your recovery code is designed to be a backup option to get into your account when you can't use your phone. Without either, regaining access becomes a bit more complex, but it's not impossible.
Start with the Snapchat support.
Your first step should be to reach out to Snapchat support. Although it might seem obvious, it's often overlooked. Snapchat support can provide assistance in various situations, including this one. 1. You'll want to visit the Snapchat support page on their website. 2. Choose the option that says, "I can't log in to Snapchat." 3. Follow the prompts to report your situation. Make sure you provide all the information you can about your account, including the email address and phone number you used to create the account. This will aid Snapchat support in verifying your identity.
Check your email or other recovery options.
If you've associated an email with your Snapchat account, you might be able to reset your password through your email. Snapchat will send a password reset link to your email, which you can use to set up a new password and regain access to your account. If you've set up other recovery options, like a secondary phone number, make sure to check these as well. You might be able to use these options to regain access.
Repeated failed login attempts.
If the above options don't work, you might be able to regain access through repeated failed login attempts. Snapchat has a security feature where, if you've entered your password incorrectly too many times, it gives you the option to reset it through your associated email or phone number. Just remember not to misuse this feature, as it's intended for account security, and too many failed attempts could result in a temporary lock on your account. Losing both your phone and Snapchat recovery code is frustrating, but with these steps, you have a chance at regaining access. If you're unable to do so with these steps, don't hesitate to keep contacting Snapchat support until your issue is resolved. Remember, once you regain access, it's crucial to update your recovery methods immediately to avoid such a situation in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide helps you regain control of your Snapchat account.